Welcome to the live session of Aspen Plus Simulation Software MOOC course. So if you have some doubts, you can ask me. I can clarify your doubts. I find a couple of learners in the desk. I think with me there is Mangesh Shikare and Nijil M. They are here with me. And on YouTube, I find Shabarish Katha Uppara, good noon. Barsharani Pradhan, good afternoon. Abhijit Sharma, good afternoon. So our session will end by 3:55. So you can ask me as many questions as you want within this time frame, and I will try to answer them as clearly as possible. Good afternoon, Avi's Kids World, Naveen Dikshit, Reflex Gaming, Raj Pandit, Chikka Murali, Vaibhav Pathare. Raj Pandit is asking, sir, assignment week 5, question number 4, 5 are missing with figure which is required. Week 4, let me check. Sometimes I have given the examples, I mean the assignments that has missing data, but sometimes the simulation itself provides some default value. Okay, so you are asking for question number week number 4 and question number 4, 5. So it is written the number of Henry's component in this system. So number of Henry's component, I do not know why you feel that missing with figure which is required. I mean, if you see the figure number 2, you can quickly understand what are the Henry's components and what is its number. So both question number 4 and 5, I do not think that you anything is missing, so you can definitely answer them. Well, probably I have to check the other figure. 1 minute. Yeah, I don't think we need anything extra. So question number 4 and 5, it is there. Raj Pandit is again saying, sir, also week 3 part B approach temperature is missing. Yeah, approach temperature default value is given, right? It is already given 0. In most of the cases, the approach temperature is 0. So whatever the default value Aspen Plus window shows, that you have to work with that. So I don't think it's a big issue. So few more people have joined, I think. Prof.Prabirkumar Saha, good afternoon. Ranjan, Kingsley Anton, Monica Agav, Naveen Dikshit, all of you, good afternoon. So Kingsley Anton is saying, sir, do we have live question session every week? Well, I will come live only thrice in the whole session. I mean, today is one session. 2 more times I will come during this course. I think NPTEL arranges live question answer session every week with some teaching assistants, but I will not be a part of it. So it's a separate arrangement altogether. My involvement is not there. Naveen Dikshit is asking, sir, the access to Aspen Plus software showing its expiration on 15th of August, okay? Yeah, I know there is a problem because our software is having 1-year license which is expiring on 15th of August, but you do not worry, we are in the process of purchasing a license for another 1 year. So it is under process. So I think I will remind them. I'll remind once again about the expiration so that they can at least arrange for a temporary license. Okay. Yeah. So Avijit Sharma is saying unable to install Aspen Plus software. I do not know why and what I can do. I mean, you have to try out at your end to install the Aspen Plus software. Avijit Sharma, if you are in somewhere in Guwahati, you can come with your laptop. I can help you. Otherwise, you have to help yourself. Raj Pandit is saying figure 2 is missing. Figure 2 is missing. That's a news for me. Let me check how figure 2 should be missing. Raj Pandit, can you give me a snapshot of the problem? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm very sorry about it. You are right. Uh, 1 minute. Yes, Raj Pandit, figure 2 is missing. I'm very sorry about it. Uh, the the person who has uploaded the this thing, then he has missed it somehow. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll upload the figure 2 now itself for all of you. Figure 2 of assignment 4. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll go to the Gmail. Okay, so I'll compose. Figure 2 of assignment 4 attached. Okay, so Raj Pandit and others, I have uploaded the file. Okay, so figure 2 of assignment 4 has been uploaded just now. You can go and check in the in your that uh, course Gmail website. You will find that figure 2 and you can solve the problem. Avi's Kids World is writing, sir, due to hectic office schedules, could not get time to complete weekly assignments so far. Is it any time limit or can do any time, any day? I'm sorry, Avi's Kids World schedule of weekly assignments deadline, then you have missed it. You have not. You will not get any marks. And for your information, completing the assignments on time is essential because there is a substantial marks on the assignments, which will add to your final score. On the basis of that, your pass fail will be decided, and on the top of it, the scorecard, whether you will get gold certificate or silver certificate. I mean, they have various certificates, type of certificates. So those things will be decided by the score, and there the assignment marks are also very important. So you really cannot, avoid them. So even if you have hectic office schedule, somehow you have to make some time out of it and complete the weekly assignments. There is no grace marks for that. Okay. Raj Pandit, the reference figure has already been updated, so you can just see. Raj Pandit is saying, sir, I think I am not clear to you the question number 4-5. Okay, I have already given that. Vijit Sharma, if someone misses any assignment on the due dates, will face any trouble in the trouble future. I mean, nobody will trouble you, Vijit Sharma. Only thing is that you will not get any marks for it. Already I have explained to Evie's Kids World that marks are, completing the assignments is very important because assignment marks are added to the final score. So missing assignment is not a good thing. Nishu Gangwar is saying, sir, unable to run Aspen Plus software. It is showing a pop-up Aspen properties configuration failed. Again, Nishu, it happens every time I float the course. Some person or other will come back with some issues. The thing is, as I am not there in front of your machine, unless I get the access to your machine, I will not be able to, get to know what is exactly happening. But one boy from IIT Bombay, a few days back, he approached me. He called me over, I think, Google Meet. I saw his system, and I suspected that IIT Bombay Wi-Fi has some firewall which is rejecting anything that is coming up from outside. So for that reason, I suspected that there might be some problem. So I suggested him to change his internet, to use his own internet that he gets through the mobile data or something else, which doesn't have any firewall, which doesn't have any. And also I suggested him to switch off any kind of virus scanner and all. Sometimes virus scanner also stop the licensing of any product. So later the boy reported me that he could get that license of that software without any problem by using his own mobile data. Okay, so that might be an issue if you are having the configuration of Aspen properties. So unless I see your desktop, I am unable to suggest you anything further. Raj Pandit is saying, thank you for your clarification and providing the missing figure. Okay, you have got it. Regarding week 3, part B, we will consider the default temperature value. Thank you, 0. Okay, great. Avi's Kid World, sure sir, I will take care. Thanks for clarifying. Okay, so I think I have taken all the questions that that is coming to me in the YouTube window. Now let me go to the live session window, where are the chat box? Yeah. Okay, lot of chats are here. I'll pick up one by one. Okay, somebody named NM. Who is NM? I do not know. Okay, Nijil M. Nijil M, he says, good afternoon. Okay, good afternoon, Nijil M. Then Megawati S is saying, sir, how to download the Aspen software? Well, Megawati is getting too late to do these things. You know, Aspen Plus software you should have downloaded long back. There are links available in the portal. You go to those links and you can download from there. Then Nigel M is again asking, my question is regarding recoil. What is recoil? Reactions. Oh, R equilibrium. Okay, R equil. Reaction inputs are not working. Well, your question is very open-ended, Nijil M. You have to, give me the total figure. If you say it is not working, what can I say? I mean, you have to show me how exactly you are trying it and what is the. You have to show me your file. So somehow, those details. Just saying that it is not working doesn't make any sense. I mean, I cannot say anything on that issue. Mangesh Shikare is saying, sir, how to download the Aspen Plus software in laptop? Again, Mangesh, I think it's Mangesh or Megawati, yes. Okay, Mangesh Shikare. Sorry, Megawati, last time I thought it was you who could not download the Aspen software. Anyway, again, Mangesh, you can go to the portal. There you will find the link for Aspen Plus software and you can download it. Nijilem is okay. Nijilem has shared something. Let me check this one. How to enter reversible reactions. I have already told you, no? Reversible reaction, irreversible reaction. Those things I have already taught, Nijilem. You have to go back to your video lectures. Shruti is saying a license policy is valid. Again, Shruti, you do not have to bother about it. I think beyond 15 August also it will work. Again, I will remind our people about it so that they can do something. Okay. Okay, Nishu Gangwar is saying, sir, I am using it on my mobile data. Still, I am facing the issue. Then Nishu, you have to invite me on a Google Meet, and you have to share your screen so that I can see it myself, and then I can advise you something further. Without seeing it, I cannot say anything. Okay. Avijit Sharma is saying, how can I contact you, sir, for software installation? Well, you can write to me at p.saha. It is p.saha. I'll write it down. It is p.saha@iitg.ac.in. So this is my email address. You can write it right over here. I will try to help you. Chikka Murali is saying, sir, how much marks are required for qualify in assignment out of 10? Well, we do not count individual assignments. Actually, it is total assignments that we look for. So, as far as I remember, it is, I think it is 30% on the assignment and 70% for the final exam, or something like some, or 25, 75. Exactly, I do not remember, but somewhere it is like that only. So all the assignments, all 12 assignments marks will be added, and out of which that will be scaled between 0 to 100, and some percentage marks will be counted uh, in the final score. Okay. Okay. So Shaumabrata Tiwari. Okay, Shaumabrata Tiwari, while installing everything, showed 100% except Aspen economic evaluation. You do not need economic evaluation, Shaumabrata. I mean, it is not needed. Because Aspen engineering, so it is a big umbrella, you know. We have not subscribed to everything. We have subscribed to Aspen Plus, Aspen Plus and Aspen Dynamics, Aspen Custom Modeler. So these are the three things that we have subscribed to. So economic evaluation and all, they have not been subscribed, I believe. And you do not need them. At least for this particular course, you do not need them. In future, if you want to do some advanced course on Aspen economics, then probably you can, but we have not subscribed that. Yeah, the software is running, but will I face any issue during the course? No, you will not face any issue. Tatini Nath. Okay, Tatini Nath is saying, sir, in mixer problem, you were selecting the process models on your own, like inertial method, etc. Yeah, I mean, probably how to choose the method. Again, property selection methods are given, you know, property selection method, how to estimate the method, I mean, how to select the property method. There is a property method selection procedure, which I have already covered in the course. You can go through them. But for the mixer problem that I have showed in the video, perhaps I have taken inertial method just like that. I mean, this inertial method may not be the most suitable method for that kind of system, but in order for running the software, I mean, just an example purpose, I have taken it. So, as I said, this may not be the best method that could be taken for the process model. Obviously, when you want to do it for a for a for a assignment of some, you know, something for your company assignments where lots of money is involved on the model that you generate. There you have to take care so that the best model should be chosen. Okay, you cannot choose any model, and you cannot pick up any model for that matter. You have to be very, very wise in choosing methods. Here, it's just a process example, so I have picked up anything that I thought, okay, let me use it and show them how to solve the problem. Anyway, so that's what it is, Tatini Nath. Nishu Gangwar is saying, sir, what will be the right time to approach you? Okay, and right time to approach means not every day, but usually after 6 o'clock, I am relatively free at the end of the day. So obviously you have to tell me the exact day and time that you are inviting me for the Google Meet. I'll be ready, and I can try to help you after that. Okay, but after 6 o'clock is better for me, Nishu. Insolation is saying, sir, is there any planning for Aspen advanced course? Yeah, am I am um, I'm building that Aspen advanced course. I have already recorded nearly 18 hours of lecture, but another 12 hours of lecture is left. In fact, for last several semester, I am planning, and somehow it is not. It has not been materialized, but I will definitely do an advanced course, and you will be notified on that. Chikka Murali is saying, sir, we can take NRTL method as a default method when they did not mention in question. I forgot which problem I have given. Yes, I mean, if you feel that there are two liquid systems there, I mean, obviously for a gaseous system, you should not use NRTL method, right? Even if I have not mentioned anything. So, yes, if you find that there are two random liquids are there, then you can use NRTL, unless there are other predefined methods which are available for them. Tatirina says, sorry sir, I missed it. Can you please repeat the mixer question and I got disconnected? Oh, Tatini, again I'm saying, Tatini. Yeah, what I said, Tatini, that in the mixer problem, perhaps, well, let me put it in this way. I somehow wanted to solve a problem that was in my hand. So I did not go through the proper method of selecting and choosing the property method. So I thought, okay, let me use NRTL method and finish the problem. But if you want to seriously solve a problem, for instance, you are working in a company and your boss has a client. That client has come, say, from Reliance Petroleum or Shell Oil Company or somewhere else, and they have a problem to solve. And your boss is saying, okay, Tateni, come here and let us solve their problem. Okay, and you pick up the problem. There, obviously, you will not, pick up anything and everything. You have to go by the proper selection of property method, and the best property method which is suitable for the system you have to choose, right? So that is the difference. So here I have chosen NRTL method just to give an example. Okay, this is how the mixer can be used. But when you do a serious problem solving exercise, then you have to um, go through the property selection method, and you have to choose the ideal property method for the system. Then Manshi Sharma is saying, can there be a case where more than one property package will be required for a particular process? Yeah, suppose you have both gaseous material and liquid material, both are there. I mean, it will be a complex process, it will be a complex process. Somewhere there is a flash tank, and there is a reactor which is completely liquid, completely a um, liquid system. There is no gas at all. Okay, so these two are connected. Upstream there will be lot of things. Downstream there will be lot of things. So it's a big plant, and there will be some recycles here and there. So in that case, you have to use separate property method for separate units, and in the set of property methods you have to call uh, many property methods in one way, and individually in um, each and every system you have to define the property method for that particular system. That I will cover when we see the at the end of this course. I mean, the second half of the course, where where we will discuss about uh, various plants, big plants, which we'll design based on the Aspen Plus software. Nigel Madhavan is saying, how is the results of a simulation resembles an actual situation in a plant? Here we are not doing the sizing of equipment. Will our results match actual plant? That's the $1 million question, Nigel Madhavan, because obviously, as you were saying, resembles, it will not be 100% match, but it will be a kind of ideal condition of the process. Okay, in real life there will be lot of other things, like there will be heat loss issues, there will be pressure drop issues, there will be leakage, there will be many other things in the real life. So 100% matching of actual plant operation and model simulation, it can never be expected. Okay, but obviously, if you take all the precautions while modeling and simulating, then a close matching is expected. Nishu gang was saying, what about today if you are available? Today, 6 o'clock, okay? You can just write an email to me. I can try once. Tatininath is saying, okay, sir, understood. Thank you, sir. Okay. So this is YouTube. Let me see whether I have any more question in the MS Teams. No, in MS Team there is no other question. Okay, so Any more question, people? Okay, there will be another 10-12 minutes left for this session. We'll wind up by 3:55, so you can ask me more number of questions if you want. Okay, there is a silence in the group. Nobody is asking any more questions. So you have only another 10 minutes to go. Okay, just now Abhijit Sharma has written me an email stating that he wants to connect me through Google Meet. So probably Abhijit and Nishu, you can both come at 6 o'clock today on the Google Meet. Okay. So I will give you the Google Meet address. Okay, Nishu, I have given my Google Meet address. You can come today. Today at 6 p.m. Whoever is facing problem in installation, okay, so Nishu, you can come through this Google Meet, and others who are there. Nigel Madhavan is asking how will be the final exam format? Okay, final exam format will be similar to whatever I am asking in part A questions. You might have noticed that part A questions are such that you do not need the software to answer them. Part B question is part B questions are there to, I mean, you need software to answer the part B question, solve the part B questions, but for part A questions you do not need. So the final questions, final will be on the basis of part A questions, okay? Part A type questions. That's how the final exam will be, Nigel. Chikka Murali is saying, sir, can you please share your experience with Aspen Plus software? What kind of experience, Chikka Murali? I am using this software for many years, and we could solve problems. I teach this software to my students. That is my experience, and I have been fortunate to. I mean, some of the corporate sectors like General Electric, and they have approached me to solve some problems with the software, Aspen Plus software. So I could solve their problem, you know. So real life industrial problems also I have solved with this Aspen Plus software. So that is my experience. Overall, it's good experience. Chikka Murali is saying working experience with software. Chikka Murali, if you do not explain your question a bit more, I cannot answer it. I have already answered to some extent. If you are not happy with that answer, then probably you have to explain your question a bit more. Okay, so in MS Teams, I think Shruti S is asking, sir, may I know the pattern of question to be asked in final exam, MCQs or problem oriented? Okay, Shruti, already I have answered it to who asked me? Yeah, Nigel Madhavan. I have already answered that the questions in exam, final exam will be part A type questions. This will not be a problem oriented, because in the final exam, you will not be having any access to the software. This Aspen Plus software will not be there in the final exam. I mean, final exam you have to write at a place where there will be no such software available. So I cannot ask you question which is problem oriented. Rather, it will be part A type questions. You might have noticed that part A type questions, you do not need the software. Even without the software, you can answer part A type question. So that's what it is. Okay, it can be MCQs, it can be fill in the blanks, it can be true and false. Okay, so anything of this sort. So I can spend another couple of minutes with you if you have any more questions. Nishu Gangwar, there is any question bank? No, Nishu, there is no question bank. There is no question bank for final exam. I prepared the question myself and then ask. Only way to get success in this course is practice. And as it says, practice makes a man perfect. So you will have the access to this software for only during the duration of this course. Okay, so use this 12 weeks plus I think one week for the exam. So you will have the access to the software only for this duration, not beyond that. So use this software as much as possible, okay, and learn the software. Those who are in the industry, you might be knowing that there is a lot of need for simulation softwares for the industrial problem. You might find it useful. But for the college students, I can say that this is the only time that you can learn, you know. So we are not charging any money for this software. Actually, these softwares are very costly, and we are not charging any money from you. So make use of this software as much as possible to learn. Because once you graduate from your college, you will not find this software anywhere. Okay. Anyway, so it is already 3:55. I have to rush for my lecture, of my college lecture. So I thank you, everyone who have joined, and we'll meet in the next live session a few weeks from now. Okay, for the time being. Goodbye, all of you. And Nishu and Vijit, if you want, you can Google Meet me at 6 p.m. today. Okay. Thank you, everyone. And NPTEL, you can close this session.